Welcome. Let us start today part 5 of permutation and combination. So we take first problem today. The first problem is using all letters of small are together to form words and then are arranged as per dictionary. In this arrangement, position of small is. The speciality of that problem is here two letters are identical. That's why I have taken that. As per dictionary, the letters are A, L, then another L, M and S, then S. That is, after arrangement, all letters starting with A, all words starting with A must be before small in dictionary. Similarly, all words starting with L, starting with M, they will be all before the word small in dictionary. The A, the words, number of words starting with A, uh, total number of words will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After A, 4 letters are there. So it is equal to factorial 4 by factorial 2 because 2 is repeated twice. So it is equal to 12. All words starting with A is 12 and that must be before in dictionary that must be before that. Similarly, next one is L. Starting with L, number of words. This L, number of word 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after L, there are 4 letters and they can be arranged as factorial 4, that is 24 ways. If next we have to take that L, but this starting with this L and that L are exactly identical. So no need of considering that. Next comes M. So taking M, the letter M first, number of words will be 1, 2, 3, 4 letters are there. So factorial 4 by factorial 2 because 2 are identical. So once again it is 12. Then comes S. After S, this word will not be small. Let us take S and then A. S and then after that A, these two can be arranged in one way, one into one, that is one way. After S, A, three letters are there, L and M. These three letters can be arranged factorial 3 by factorial 2. So it is three different ways. Then S, A and L. S, A, then L. So SA already, these number of words are already considered. Now SL, starting with S and L, S and L, 1, 2, 3 letters are there. So by them, uh, factorial 3, that is 6 words can be done. Taking with S and another L, same result. So no problem. After that, we get S, then M, then A as per dictionary, L, no, S, then A. The SA already considered, so S, M, then S, M, then A, L, then comes small. So after that, S, M, after that A, L and L. So number of up to this 24, 48, 40, 48 and 9, 57, and then comes small 1. So 58 is correct answer. Option is 58. That's all right. This next problem. Number of selection of 5 letters from the word college. Number of selection of 5 letters from the word college. College, this word consists of 1 to 7. Question is, in how many ways 5 letters can be chosen from that? 5 letters in different way can be chosen from that. So this word, in this word, C is repeated only once, O once, L 2 times, E 2 times, G only once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether 7. Now we can choose one pair of letters, E 2 times occur 2 times, L occur 2 times. We can choose 2 pairs, and 2 pairs means 4 plus 1 single letter. 2 pairs can be chosen from this and that. 2 pairs are there. So this way 2 to 2, 2C2, this way 2 pairs can be chosen. So one way into one single letter. So there are 1, 2 and 3. So out of 3 we can choose 1 in this way. So this is equal to 3. Next we take 1 pair plus 1 pair means 2 and 3 single letter. Let us see how many ways this can be done. We have 2 pairs. Out of these 2 pairs, 1 can be chosen at 2C1 into 3 single letters. 1, 2, 3 single letters are there, but still, after taking 1 pair, 2 L suppose already taken, then 2 E are there. So from this, 1 can be taken. So ultimately, 3 single letters can be collected from 1, 2, 3 and 4, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from 4 we can collect 3 single letters. This is equal to 2 into 4C3 is 4. So it is equal to 8. Next consider all are single. All single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single letters are there. So out of 5, 5 letters can be collected in 5C5, that is one way. So ultimately our answer is 3 plus 8 plus 1, that is 12. 12 is the answer. Okay. So next. Next problem is five cards and five envelopes, both are numbered from 1 to 5. Five cards, their numbers are 1 to 3 up to 5. And five envelopes, their number are also same, 1, 2 up to 5. How many ways cards to be placed in the envelopes so that no card is placed to the envelope bearing the same number? Consider this card number, letter number 1, envelope number 1. If 1 goes to that one, then number of number of the letter and number of the envelope are same. So we can say that its destination is that. Destination of 2 is 2, and so on. The question is, in how many ways these letters how many ways these letters can be placed to the envelope so that no one goes to its original destination. That is, 1 cannot be there, 2 cannot be there, 5 cannot be there, 5 can be anywhere, 4 can be this and that, and so on. This type of arrangement uh, is called derangement. This type of arrangement is called derangement. It is very important type. The out of n objects and n destinations are there. In that case, n objects and n destinations. Total number of derangement is factorial n into sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r into 1 by factorial r. So, just one minute. 1 by factorial r. Okay. Then, for this case, n is 5. So, number of arrangement, derangement is factorial 5 into sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r into 1 by factorial r. That is, it is equal to factorial 5 into r is 0, so it is 1. 1 by factorial 0 is again 1, so it is 1. Then r is equal to 1, it is minus 1 to the power, this is minus 1, and 1 by factorial 1. Then r is equal to 2 means this will be positive, plus 1 by factorial 2 plus minus, in that case r is equal to 3, it is negative, minus 1 by factorial 3 plus 1 by factorial 4 minus 1 upon factorial 5. This is correct answer. So you have to simplify it. So these together cancels. This is equal to factorial 5 into factorial 2. It is 5, 4, 3, 60 minus this minus factorial 5 by factorial 3. This 5 into 4 and factorial 3 cancels, 20 plus. This is factorial 5 by factorial 4 is 5 minus 1. So it is equal to 65 minus 21, it is 44. So 44 different ways we can arrange so that no object goes to its own destination. 44 answer. Next question, almost same type question. Five couples, A small a, B small b, C small c, D small d, and E small e. These five couples, A is husband, small a is wife, and so on, are members of a club, tennis club. The number of ways five mixed double tennis team can be formed so that in exactly one team consists of husband and his wife. Now here the problem is that these 10 are only members of a tennis club. A is husband, small a is his wife, and so on. Now, in how question is in how many ways a, a tennis doubles team to be uh, formed so that only in one case husband and his wife is they together is a team members, only one. And in that case, suppose A and A form a team, husband and his wife, and in rest four teams, it must be rearrangement. B cannot go to with B and so on. So suppose for this case, four other teams to be considered, and that are to be derangement. That is, in that case, four derangements are to be there. Formula is factorial 4, just using the previous formula, into sigma r is equal to 0 to 4 minus 1 to the power r into 1 by factorial r. In that case, okay, so it is equal to factorial 4 into r is equal to 0 means it is 1, this is also 1, minus r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, in that case it is minus 1 to the power 1, so it is minus 1 upon factorial 1, then 1 upon factorial 2, then minus 1 upon factorial 3 plus 1 upon factorial 4. That's all. It is equal to, if they together cancels, factorial 4 by factorial 2, so it is 12. Then this one, factorial 4 by factorial 3, it is minus 4, and this is 1. That is 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. So 9 such teams can be formed between them in which no husband is with his wife. Now we consider only one A and small a form a team. Form a team. So for this case, number of total teams is 9. Similarly for B and B, another 9, C and C, another 9. So our answer is 9 into 5. 45 such teams can be formed. Next question. This is also very important. Next question. It is a problem of scoring number in an examination. First of all, I tell you the number, take a question. In an examination, there are two papers. Each of full mark 50. In how many ways one can score 52, in a question paper, in an examination, there are two papers, each of 50 marks. So, question is, in how many ways one examinee can score 52 marks? This is the problem. Maybe from first paper 50, in second paper 2, first paper 49, second paper 3, and so on. The methodical way we can calculate it. Suppose this expansion, suppose question paper has a question paper has n full marks, uh, then there are k question papers, k papers, each consists of full mark n. So in how many ways one candidate can score r marks altogether? This is in that expansion. Find that in that expansion, coefficient of x to the power r will be our answer. One paper contains n marks. K question papers are there, k papers are there. So from the not binomial, from this series, in that series, the coefficient of x to the power r in that series, not from here, including that, x to the power, coefficient of x to the power r is the answer. In how many ways a student can score r marks from the examination. So in this case, two papers each consist of 50 marks. So it is x0, x1, x2 up to x to the power 50. And there are two papers. We have to find the coefficient of x to the power 52 in that from that expansion. It is equal to actually 1 minus x to the power 51 by 1 minus x that to the power 2 from GP. So it is equal to 1 minus x to the power 51 to the power 2 into 1 minus x to the power minus 2. This is very easy to expand. It is equal to 1 minus 2 into x to the power 51 plus x to the power 51 whole square into, this is 1 minus x to the power minus 2. That expansion is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on up to infinite terms, infinite series. There are so many expansions of that type. 1 minus x to the power minus 1, 1 minus x to the power minus 2, 1 minus x to the power minus 3. You must keep in mind all these things. Next means how to calculate it. So from that we have to calculate the coefficient of x to the power 52 from there, means from there. If I multiply 1 with that, coefficient of 52 will be, coefficient of x cube is 4, 1 more than that. X square is 1 more than that. So 52, it is 1 into 53. Then multiply this with some one factor. Here is x to the power 51, we want only one more. X to the power 51 into x means x to the power 52. So we have to multiply minus 2 with its coefficient is 2. So 53 minus 4, that is 49 different way he can score 52. Yes. Next. Just 1 minute. Nine identical balls are to be distributed among 3 children. 9 identical balls are to be distributed among 3 children so that each one get at least 2 balls. Then number of distribution of balls in this way is, we have to calculate total number of distribution, different distribution, so that 3 children are there and 9 identical balls are there. One condition is there, each children must get at least 2 balls and balls are identical. First of all, we distribute 2 balls to each. First children 2 ball, second children 2 ball, third children 2 ball. So this way, 3 children can obtain 2 balls each. This can be done only one way because balls are identical. So after that, 3 balls are left and that to be distributed among the 3 children. We can distribute these remaining 3 balls 3-0-0. 3 balls are distributed 3 to 1, 0 and 0 to rest, or 2, 1 and 1, 1, 1. In this way, we can distribute the remaining balls. In the first case, 3 balls goes to any one children. So this can be done is three children are there. So this first 3 balls goes to say A, then or these balls can go to B or this can go to C. So 3 different ways this can be distributed. Next, one boy get 2 and one boy 1 and the rest boy 0. So this can be done in 3C2. 3C2, why 3C2? The two balls to 1 and 1 ball. So we require 2 children from 3. So it is 3C2 is equal to 6. And 1, 1, 1, this can be only one way. 1 to A, 1 to B, and 1 to C. This can be one way. So 10 different ways this can be done. Options are there, 20, 18, 16 and 10. So 10 is answer. Okay. Thank you. Please share it, like it, and subscribe it if not yet subscribed. Thank you.